The perfect relationship. Have you ever wondered what a perfect relationship looks like? Don Miguel Ruiz, the author of the book Asterisk, The Mastery of Love, discusses this in his work. The author compares a perfect relationship to the one you have with your dog. You accept it as a dog, not expecting it to become a cat or a horse. You love your dog for being itself. Conversely, no matter what you do or how you are, your dog will always love you. It has no expectations in this relationship. The dog is only responsible for its part in the relationship. When you come home, it barks to greet you, wags its tail, and breathes happily because it is extremely joyful to see you. It fulfills its part very well, and you know that this is the perfect dog. You also fulfill your responsibilities by feeding the dog, taking care of it, and playing with it. You love your dog unconditionally. You perform your part perfectly, and your dog performs its part perfectly as well. Most of us can imagine such a relationship with our pets, but why can't we do the same with a woman or a man? Why don't we allow a woman to just be who she is and a man to just be who he is, and love them for their essence without trying to change anything? You see, loving a dog is easier because it has no opinions about you. It loves you unconditionally. To it, you're perfect. This is very important. So if your partner loves you for your essence, it is just like how your dog loves you. You can be yourself with your partner, just as your dog can be itself with you. In another book titled Asterisk, Understanding the Heart, Asterisk by Zen Master Min Niem, he states that if we love a tree, a river, or the sky, we will never suffer. But when we love someone, we expect them to change. We depend our emotions on them, and that is why we suffer in love. Wishing you a peaceful day.